In today's video, I'll show you how to automate regular emails in Microsoft Outlook by organizing incoming messages, setting vacation replies, and scheduling emails to send later. These tools help you streamline your workflow and keep communication running smoothly. To manage incoming mail automatically, use Outlook rules. If you often receive messages from the same sender, open your inbox, right-click one of their messages, choose Rules, then always move messages from this sender. Choose an existing folder or create a new one, and Outlook will automatically route future emails from that sender to the selected folder. This is effective for newsletters, reports, or automated alerts. If you need follow UPS, consider adding flags or categories so important messages don't get buried. For out-of-office or vacation replies, go to File Automatic Replies. Turn on Send Automatic Replies and set a time range if you want Outlook to start and stop them automatically. Then write the message for internal contacts and, if needed, for external senders. Keep your reply clear. Include when you'll return, what to expect, and who to contact in your absence. Outlook will send these replies automatically to anyone who emails you during that period. To schedule a one-time email to send later, compose your message normally. Instead of clicking Send, click the small drop-down beside it and choose Schedule Send. Select a suggested time or choose custom time to set a specific date and hour. This is ideal for sending emails during business hours, avoiding weekends, or timing messages across different time zones. Double-check the scheduled time, especially if your device uses a different time zone. By using Rules, Automatic Replies, and Schedule Send, you can automate routine email tasks, keep your inbox organized, and ensure messages are delivered at the right moment.